Hello my friend, in this video I'd like to show you major sites in Zurich, Switzerland. It's not the most captivating city to explore in terms of ancient art and architecture, however the city does have an unusual cityscape and historic charm that may be of interest to you. Its unique character arises from a harmonious blend of urban sophistication and the genuine natural beauty of clear water of Lake Zurich and the turquoise sparkle of the river, creating a beautiful landscape that appeals to any eye. Zurich is a global center for banks and finance, so it's both quite pricey and a wealthy city to explore. Unfortunately, I lost most of my video and photo files traveling back from Europe, but I still have a few to show you the highlights of the city. Enjoy! If you'd like to read about every site shown here, you're welcome to visit my blog, and I include a link in the description of this video. Zurich's old town is quite beautiful. I really enjoyed walking its streets and look at its architecture. It's known for its churches of Reformation, so the churches themselves are not exuberant, but they are famous for having some stained glass windows created by modern artists such as Chagall and Giacometti. And the churches have the crypts, so visit them as well because they tell you about the history of the place. St. Peter's interior is unusual because it has a combination of different styles in one, and it also has the largest church clock face in Europe, with its diameter being of 8.7 meters long. Lindenhof is a beautiful road, and it does have scenic views of water and the old town. Visit Giacometti's murals. They are interesting. This part of the town is known for the birthplace of the Dada movement. And come back to this part of town during the night for its restaurants, bars, and the nightlife. And central part of town features very interesting buildings, fountains, and some modern art. We found a lot of local people near Lake Zurich, which wasn't surprising. It was nice and warm, and water was crystal clear. The National Museum Zurich looks like a castle, and there are some interesting parts inside of the museum. I found the rooms made of wood from 1566 to be unique and very interesting artistically. These rooms are made of rich wood carvings, inlays, and elegant designs. Elaborate and colorful tiled stoves decorate these rooms, and the stoves themselves are also very beautiful. Zurich Opera House is a beautiful building, and it's located close to the old town and the lake. It's built in neo-Baroque style and reminds me of the buildings I saw in Rome. Most of the video that I have left is from the Lindt Chocolate Factory and Museum, and I haven't seen as many people as I've seen there in comparison to any other site in the city. It was very crowded and popular. I cannot say that the tour itself, was fascinating. What was really interesting was the gift shop. It really made us feel like we were kids, looking at all that chocolate, and of course, you can buy it as much as you can afford, I guess. There are also several museums in the area. I don't really have the pictures. You can check out my blog to see the links and what they have inside. As you can see, Zurich's attractions will depend on your interests. If you're short on time, visit the old town first and then consider other places like the lake, one of the museums, or chocolate factory to be your destination. Zurich has excellent public transportation, and Uber might be pricey depending on the time of the day you decide to ride it. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my website veronicasart.com for new art gifts, and please support this channel by subscribing or sharing one of my videos with your friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.